Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about these two radios. This is Sony model ICB 61H, works on Citizen band 27 MHz, maximum transmission power around 100 milliwatts, works in 2 channels. Let's see closely and test them. On the box you can find information regarding the radio, model ICB 61H, 100 milliwatts, 2-channel transceiver, made in Japan. Inside the box we can find the radio with the antenna and some additional stuff. There is no any user manual, but we used to use the radio without any user manuals. Please read the instruction manual. This is Radio Sony. It's a Sony 100 milliwatts 2-channel ICB 61H transceiver. The speaker, a huge speaker. The radio is waterproof, on air lamp, push to talk button, the channel buttons, turn on, turn off switch, microphone, squelch, volume. This is antenna. You can lock and fix this antenna. The other side port for 12 volts, and on top of the radio you can find the port for microphone and for headphones. The size is really huge. You can compare to radios, Radiotory R40D, two radios. On the rear side you can find the information regarding the model of the radio, frequency, channel A, channel B, 27 MHz, RF output power, 100 milliwatts, 8 batteries is requires. I just bought 20 batteries. Let's open the cover and see what's inside. Yeah, we need to install the batteries and find the serial numbers under these covers. All battery installed. It is working. Under the cover you can find the main board, Sony, speaker, inside the radio looks pretty good. The main board from Japan, 26.58, 26.63, and additional 27.035, and second I think 27.085, and this switches between 2 frequencies. All works together. Channel A. Let's test.
Testing audio. Testing audio. Testing. All works pretty good. We need to go outside to avoid the 50 Hz noise, as you can hear right here. Testing, testing, audio.
In the middle you can see the PTT button. This button is really huge. I think it's for working like this. Hello, testing, testing, audio, audio. But I prefer to use like this. That's really nice radios. Leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.